Hello mga kapis ko. This is our day 2 of our 5K training plan. Dito kasama ko. So, dito kami sa Cotton Park. We're gonna do warm up and then we're gonna do run later on with some of our friends.
Hanggang ngayon.
Para sa tulong mo.
So congested kasi diba?
Di ba yung ano ba tulong?
Wala naman pero on. Hindi naman agad, nakailatin ko lang naman. Agad natin yung malak. Dumiting na.
Okay, tara. Ano ba?
Ganun. Ganun.
Bakit? Hindi ako natawa.
Hindi.
Oh, dito tingnan mo.
Oh, that looks like the moon, don't it? Look at there. Hey, we come into a whole clear spot. There you go. Look at that line. Looks like a contrail. See it? See the sun just bright coming across, leaving a contrail. You see it? Or was it just my eyes could see that?
I can see it.
See that bright contrail behind it? Wow. It was bouncing, what it was just bouncing off the clouds and leaving a line.
Yeah.
I see it again. There it is.
Filming. Alam mga kapis ko. Andito kami pa sa 5K training plan. Andito aking mga friends. Zone 2 pero so yun na nga mga kapis ko, no? Natapos namin ng easy run for about 52 minutes pero we did like 5 kilometers. So easy run lang siya. So I'm not into speed or time. I'm into endurance. Day 2 finish.